Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks guys so much for stopping by the channel. Oh, look at my hair today. Oh, I don't know what's going on there. Sorry, I ran out of hairspray. But anyways, we're going to talk about render and what's going on with the coin. We know that it has been on a decline as of late, and we're going to talk about what we're looking at in terms of price action. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. You guys know I cover AI, crypto, especially all the time. And render is one that I like to look at because I think that it has a ton of potential. Still, even though it's struggling right now, it's only a lot of cryptos right now are struggling, especially in the AI sector, and other meme coins and that are doing fairly decent. We have some layer ones that are doing fairly decent. Bitcoin has been on a little bit of a rebound, but we've got a lot of things looming overhead, and the AI crypto sector has been a little bit struggling. So Render has recently rebranded, and it has finished its rebrand. Basically it had rebranded, changed into the Solana network, and it has changed the ticker as well to Render. It used to be, remember, it was rndr. Now they have changed it. It's also been oscillating within a defined price range since early July. And we've seen broader market upward trends happening. Bitcoin has been, like I said, rebounding a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be taking Render along with it. Render's faced diminished demand, and potentially it is threatening its support levels. So resistance we are seeing at $7.20, and support is at $5.70. Why is it struggling? Well, there is a significant decline in daily active and new addresses for Render last week. In my opinion, what's going on here is a lot of inflation, waiting for the Fed to decide if they're going to cut interest rates or not. We also have Bitcoin was going through some things. We had Germany selling, we had miners capitulating, we had Mount Gox, and now we have Silk Road going on as well. So by Silk Road, what I mean is the US government has these Bitcoins in their holdings from Silk Road, and they have transferred them to another wallet address. So there is some speculation there that they could start selling off those assets. But who knows what's really going to happen until they actually do. But there is some speculation out there, and it is causing a little bit of fear. Whale investors, we're watching, they're showing some caution there as well. Net flow of tokens among these large investors have plummeted by 99%. They are offloading their holdings is what it looks like. So what's next for Render? What can we see happen? Well, the price is likely to test its support level, and it might even fall below it if it doesn't bounce back. It could drop around $5.66. But if we see a bit of a resurgence, we could see $7.45. So those are the two prices that we are watching closely. $5.70, like I mentioned, resistance at $7.20. Watch for changes in the number of active address and new addresses. That's something that we have to pay attention to, and also pay attention to whale activity, because as we know, whales can sometimes dictate or give us some kind of insight into where the price is going to go. Obviously, if they're accumulating, they think it's going to go up in value. So take with that as you will. You can't always specifically just focus on one thing. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll look at a number of different technical indicators to determine where I think crypto is going, and kind of take over the overall consensus. I don't normally just look at one thing, right? So just be careful with that. As we can see, the price here, the last month is down about 13.6%. There was a bit of, uncertainty surrounding Render where it was going through its rebrand, but that has been completed as well. So volume is up a bit. I don't think Render's done here, guys. Render's a big player in the AI crypto industry, and we have not seen the last of it. That is for sure. So, obviously we are going to have to wait until the narrative for AI and altcoins kind of flips a little bit and becomes a little bit more bullish in order to see any positive momentum come from this. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick update what's going on with Render. I did see the price action, and I thought to myself, oh, what's going on over there? So obviously, if I'm noticing it and I'm looking into it, then you guys probably have some questions as well. So let me know down below. Are you still holding Render? Or, basically, have you sold your tokens? Whatever, let me know what you are doing. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.